Hi, this is attorney Andrea Witt.
And I'm attorney Stephen Spano with a Legal and Financial Minute or two. In the first episode of our Selling Your Home series, we told you about the types of sales options available to you when selling your home, as well as how to choose the best option to sell your home for hundreds of thousands of dollars more than the worst option.
In the second episode of our Selling Your Home series, we told you about how to carefully select the right real estate broker to avoid critical mistakes that could cost you valuable time and tens of thousands of dollars.
In the third episode, we told you about all the sales channels that should be used by a broker to sell your home so that it is widely publicized so that it's sold at the highest possible price for you.
In today's episode, we'll tell you what you need to do once someone actually tells you that they want to buy your home. That process starts when the potential buyer submits an offer to purchase, which is typically a formal document that the broker representing the prospective buyer provides to your broker, who then provides it to your attorney to review before you sign it. That document sets out the broad and very general terms of the transaction.
It's very important that your attorney review the offer, since the offer has legal language and contractual terms that are binding. Remember, the offer is a legally binding contract and can be the source of expensive litigation.
Presuming your attorney removes any language and terms that are offensive or to which you disagree, and you agree with the price and the terms, the next step is to accept the offer.
And once the offer is accepted, the buyer then earnestly begins the process of preparing for the purchase of your property. And attorneys for you and the buyer negotiate the purchase and sales agreement, which is another legally binding contract which states the actual details of the transaction.
It's important to note that if either the buyer or the seller agreed to something in the offer, that neither of them can back out of it when negotiating the purchase and sales agreement without significant legal consequences.
And then once both parties sign the purchase and sales agreement, the process enters its final phase and often moves at an amazingly fast pace. Your attorney and the broker will be there to work with you to be sure you are ready for the closing, which is where the property changes hands and, by the way, you get your check.
And that brings us to why you should watch our next episode. Learn about the final and most exciting step in the sale of your home, collecting the check.
Remember, all lawyers and law firms are not the same. Seek out an expert law firm to protect you and your family.
We hope this legal and financial minute or two has helped you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
If you have something you would like us to address in one of our segments, or have any questions on this or another legal or financial topic, feel free to call or text Spano and Dwicky at 781-231-7800 or email us at help@spanodwicky.com.